So I've had about 2.5 days worth of raining, and this is what my duck and chicken coop look like. Nothing but mud. We rained pretty hard yesterday. They said we had almost hurricane force winds last night. It was blowing pretty good. But nothing but mud in here. See the driveway over there. Bunch of mud puddles. It just looks wrecked in here. Chicken coop don't look quite as bad, but it's still water and everything in here. Chickens don't seem to mind though. But this is just a muddy mess with all their water they play in, and then all the rain that we've gotten. As you can hear my goats whining in the background. They see me come out here and feed the chickens and ducks, so they know they're next. And then the cows will start mooing at me in a minute. But geez. Nothing but mud, you slobs. And they'll love it. They'll be covered in mud by the time I lock them up. Actually, they'll be covered in mud here in about 10 minutes, but but yep, just a video is going to show you my muddy duck pen. You won't even be able to tell these are Pekins by the time I lock them up tonight, but hey, whatever. Just pigs with wings. But I am off to go feed the rest of my animals, and I will see you in the next video. Later.